Hi everyone, hope everyone is okay. In this video guys, I'm going to talk about how to start driving a car in Sultanate of Oman and what the steps to get a driving license in Oman. Alright, the steps are very easy. First, you must have a blood test, and this one you can get at the medical clinic. Second, you need to do also eye tests, and this one you can get from the eyeglass shop. And third, you need two white background photos, okay, and a copy of the resident card, of course. Then you will go to the police station examination center and you will receive a driving license book, the green book. And after you have complete all these procedures, after that you will be looking for the skilled instructor. So how you can get a skilled instructor? You can get through your friends, or you can search from social media or Facebook, internet. But you need to ask your friend, the one who already have license. Of course, they will know. They will guide you which one is good. He can teach you. All right. All right, and there is another thing. It's not everyone who has a driving license he can teach the people. You know what I mean? The instructor must have a police training certificate, and he must be skilled, and he has a lot of experience for teaching driving. Okay? It's not about who has license he can teach the people. No. The instructor should be have certificate from the police to train the people how to driving the car, okay? And then you can start with a good one how to drive your car. Right, after that, when you get already a good one instructor to teach you, of course he will start with you to drive, and then you have to pass the drum test, and after that the slope. After that, when you finish from the drum and slope, you will be in the road test. You have to train the road. From that moment, inshallah, he will get your license. And congratulations to you. Inshallah, good luck.